Hello everyone! Welcome to our video report presentation in milling machine. Today, we will explore what they are, their fascinating history, main components, function, technical specification, safety measures, and conclude what their importance in manufacturing. Let's get started.
A milling machine is a versatile manufacturing tool that uses rotary cutters to remove materials from workpiece. It can shape and cut various materials, primarily metals and plastic with high precision. The main purpose is to use a spinning multi-point cutting tool to cut, shape, and polish metal or other materials into desired shape.
Milling machines are essential in producing parts and components sa maraming industry na ginagawang pundasyon of modern manufacturing.
Hear the history of milling machine. The history of milling machine to date back of early 19th century. The first milling machine was invented by Elie Mitnick in 1880, designed to produce interchangeable parts of firearms. Sa paglipas ng taon, malaki ang pagbabago ng mga milling machine, lalo na sa pagpakilala sa sensitibong teknolohiya noong 1960, allowing for the automate and more complex machining processes.
This machine is a vertical milling machine, and let's tackle the main parts of this machine. First, the bed. The base that support the entire machine. And second, the table, where the workpiece is mounted. Ang bahagi kung saan nilalagay at ikinabit ang material na gamitin sa proseso ng pagputol o paghugis. Third, the spindle. Hindi na kumahawak sa gamit na pagputol at umiikot upang gumitin, butasan o hugisin ang material.
Column is vertical structure mounted on the base, serving as the backbone of the milling machine. It is responsible supporting the spindle motor. Is knee. Knee is a large cast iron component mounted on the column of the vertical milling machine. It serves as a support structure for the work table saddle and other movable parts.
Now let's explain the step-by-step function of milling machine.
First is setup. The operator secures the workpiece on the table using clamps. Second is tool selection. The appropriate cutting tool is chosen based on the desired shape and material. Third is adjustments. The operator set the speed and feed rate for the milling process. Fourth is the milling process. The spindle rotates the cutting tool while the table moves the workpiece onto the tool, removing material. Lastly is finishing. Once the desired shape is achieved, the operator inspects the parts for quality and precision.
Technically, milling machines can be categorized into two main types, vertical and horizontal. Ang vertical milling machine ay may posisyon ng spindle patayo, while the horizontal milling machine ay may horizontal spindle. CNC milling machine ay equipped with computer controls, enhancing precision at nagbibigay daan para sa komplikadong disenyo. The choice of cutting tools, speed, and fit rate ay critical aspects that influence machining efficiency, and quality.
Measure is paramount when operating milling machines. Operators should be always wear personal protective equipment. Always wear goggles and gloves. It is essential to ensure that the machine is properly maintained and all safety guards are in place.
Ang milling machine ay gamit equipment sa manufacturing at metalworking dahil sa precision, efficiency at versatility mula sa pag-shape ng material. May iba't ibang types na milling machine ulad ng manual CNC, horizontal at vertical. Depende sa application dahil sa advancement in technology. Naging mas automated, accurate at productive ang mga ito ay malaki ang role nila sa industries. Tulad ng aerospace, automotive at construction para ma-maximize ang performance at safety, kailangan ng proper maintenance at training ng operators habang patuloy ang pag-improve ng technology. Mas maging efficient at powerful pa ang milling machine na makakatulong na mas mabilis at mataas na kalidad ng production sa iba't ibang industry.